I built this color palette generator in 45 minutes. Designers actually paid $50 for this feature. Here's how. To start up this project, I have created a prompt from Copilot to Amazon Q. I paste the prompt here and it actually created the color palette generator for me. After some time, it's finished and now I have to npm install. During this installation, I'm going to set up the database, so I'm giving my credentials, and after it's done, I will go back and create the tables for the database. For that, I have to visit the Supabase website again. So after getting done, we are going to wait a little more. Oh, there is a Google authentication that we should enable, so I tried to find the place and finally found it, and it's already enabled. I've done other projects with Supabase, so it was enabled. And now we are going to run our program with npm rundiff, and after some time it didn't load, so I came back to Visual Studio Code and it has some problems. And I give it a prompt and it got fixed. Now we have our application. We can see the light theme and dark theme. We can have we can play with colors. We can generate with the palette generator as much as we want. But the generate button only works one time and it always creates the same color. The random is working fine. We can see every time we get different colors. So let's just fix the generate button issue. After the prompt, the generate button is working fine, but it's already the same colors every time. So let's just give it a prompt and it's working. Now we can see that the first and second color is not changing. You can see that. So let's just give it a prompt. Wow, I had some internet issues. After some time it's got fixed and I can now see the colors. Of course it's not generating very good, but it's fine actually. So I tried the export button, it's not working. I will fix it later. Now let's just click save and we need sign in for that. So let's just sign in. To save any color, we should sign in to our page. Okay, now the palette saves successfully after sign in. And now the export is not working actually yet. So let's just give it a prompt to fix it. And yeah, the export is now functional. We can see that we have three options: the CSS, the JSON, and the PNG. After that, let's just There's a hex value. We can see that we can play with the colors again. And then we have our saved palette. When we save a palette, we can see it at the bottom. So let's just create. You can see the random is working fine. So let's go to image extractor and upload an image. You can see that all the colors are the same. So let's just fix that by giving a prompt and upload again. And boom, you can see that everything works fine now. All the colors that are in the picture are here. And then we have the accessibility. The accessibility, we can see that there are some options that we can play with. And then we have the palette. When we save our palette, you can see that it will appear in the saved palettes. And now the preview mode. The preview mode is used to see how our colors, our combination of colors, will work in real websites. So this is it. This is the color palette generator that we have created for today. And everything works fine. And here is the light dim. It's actually working very good. Okay, so we have created our color palette generator app and everything is functional. We don't have any problem with it. So let's keep building and see you tomorrow.